Okay, I just completed the install of Greg's generator. Greg, how you pronounce your last name?
Kelsoe.
Kelsoe. Okay. There you are.
I'm thrilled. I couldn't be more thrilled. I tell you, it's so nice to have a generator, number one, I can depend on, and number two, I know that I can get parts for it anywhere, anytime now, so easy. It's so quiet. I can operate it from inside or outside. I've got my panel inside. I bought the option for the panel on the inside,
Right.
so that I'm able to actually see all of the additional information. So I'm thrilled. So thank you so much for spending all the time that you did to make this possible, because there's nothing else out there for us Rialta owners, and it's great to have something that I didn't have to do any changes to my Rialta. All we did was install it just like it is.
Yeah.
It's incredible. Thank you so much, brother.
You're welcome, Greg. I appreciate you having faith in me and allowing me to do this for you. And looking forward to many years of happy service from this bad boy. So take a video of the panel inside.
Great.
All right, so let's see how many watts your your air conditioner pulls. So that's pretty light. That's about 1/3 load. It's 1,000 watts and 122 volts. 8.3, 8.4 watts. Amps. Oh boy. Not too shabby.